Perched above the shoreline in Point Chevalier, the Sandcastle by Ponting Fitzgerald Architects emerges as a poetic extension of the New Zealand coast. Located just 5 kilometers from the heart of Auckland, the residence occupies a unique threshold, feeling intimately connected to the city's pulse while remaining anchored in the serenity of the harbor. This dual identity allows the home to balance the sophisticated refinement of urban living with the uninhibited, fluid movements of the sea, creating a sanctuary that is as much a part of the landscape as the cliffs below. The design finds its soul in the nostalgic metaphor of childhood play, drawing inspiration from the limitless potential of building with sand. Just as a sandcastle is molded by hand and tide, this structure was envisioned as a raw, withered form that absorbs the character of its environment. To achieve this, the architects utilized in-situ cast concrete as both the primary structural skeleton and the final aesthetic finish. This materiality mimics the grit and malleability of sand, allowing the house to feel weighted and permanent against the coastal winds. Spanning 3 distinct levels, the home's layout deliberately shuns rigid, orthogonal planning in favor of intercepting spaces that prioritize light and perspective. By treating views and natural illumination as the guiding principles of the interior, the architects ensured that the harbor remains a constant presence. The heavy, protective nature of the concrete is softened by expansive glazing, creating a dialogue between the grit of the walls and the fluidity of the glass, a direct architectural reflection of the relationship between sand and water. Inside, the sensory experience is further layered through a thoughtful palette of materials that contrast the rugged exterior. Natural timber is integrated to infuse the living spaces with warmth and texture, while Atlantic stone introduces a smooth, refined coolness underfoot. These elements work in harmony to elevate the home from a mere shelter to a sophisticated family residence, bridging the gap between a rugged coastal outpost and a polished inner-city retreat. Ultimately, the Sandcastle stands as a testament to optimistic, site-specific architecture. Through the craftsmanship of Bannon construction, the imprinted patterns on the concrete facade catch the light in ever-changing ways, imbuing the home with a sense of living character. It is a structure that honors its surroundings by being faithful to both the natural and the man-made, resulting in a residence that is deeply rooted in its place and the playful memories of the beach. From its non-orthogonal spaces to its textured concrete skin, the Sandcastle redefined what a harborside home can be. It is a playful, sophisticated gesture that proves architecture is at its best when it draws inspiration from the ground beneath it. A special thanks to the team at Ponting Fitzgerald for showing us how to turn the limitless potential of sand into a lasting family legacy. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite feature of the home. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.